Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy SmartCess-Tech. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can shut down your laptop with your command, okay, with the keyboard. Okay, so for you to shut down your laptop, you have to press the Windows key and the X key, and you combine it with the U button. So if you are ready, let's go. So for you to shut down your laptop, you hold the Windows key and the X and tap on the U twice. As you can see, your laptop is shutting down. You see. So if you find value on this, please don't forget to like and share the video. Bye. See you in my next tutorial.